Hello everyone, this is I back again with another video. So in the last video we have seen how to create a database, delete a database, and how to install PostgreSQL in our PC as well. So in this video what we're going to do is look into how to insert the data and query the data as well. So let's just get started. So if you haven't watched my previous video where I have shown all this stuff like creating database and deleting database, so I will put the link in the description below where you can just watch it and go through it. And in this video, we're just going to. I just created a database over here. So I have just created a database over here in this so let's open our PSQL terminal. Inside the PSQL terminal you can just list it out. I have all this database. So in the last video we have created this books database, but I have kind of made changes in this books database. So what we're going to do is move to books database, and inside that you will see there is nothing as of now, so it should be description. There is a table called storybooks. Inside the storybooks, you can just view this table as well. There is nothing inside the storybook table. You just say ID, title, content, and serial. So what we're going to do is like we're going to put some of the data inside it. First of all, I'll just show you how to insert one single data, and after that we will just put more than one data and like thousand or not thousand but hundreds of data at once, and after that we'll do some stuff like so. To insert the data, what we can do is like insert into storybooks, okay, and this will be title, content, and see. And we're not considering the ID over here since the ID is auto incremented and it will be auto generated. Inside the values, what we're going to do is title, let's put some books like thing, content, and I don't know what is the content inside these books. I haven't read it, so let's just put something, and the serial number as well. Let's I think I should have put the serial number as the int or something, but I kind of created this as a varchar, so variable character. So I'm just gonna put in the string format, okay? And then you just hit enter. So the one data is inserted inside this storybooks. So we can just see inside the storybooks. Sorry. Okay, so we have one data over here. So now what I'm thinking of putting more than one data, and to put the more than one data, what we're going to do is there is a website called Macado, I think. Yeah, this one. So here you can all you can do is like we don't need a ID. You just define your complete database over here, like title. Basically you have to define your database schema, and this is a type of title. Let's put movie title as of now. So this will be the movie title, and second one will be the content. So let's just put content. Inside the content it will be let's just search for content. So this contract. I don't know what should I put over here. It's just structure material. I just put some data, just don't know to head over here. I haven't planned that much, so we don't want 1000 of data. I just want 100 of data, and this will be SQL format, and you can just preview it. So this will be our data. This will be title, content, and serials. So these are all the data that we're going to get. We'll get, and let's close it, and include the create table as well, and just download the data. So I have downloaded this. Now I'm just gonna copy it and put it somewhere. Let's put at my desktop, paste item, and let's not rename it first, and escape it, just mock data. And now you can also view this mock data. Desktop, and code. So I have opened this mock data inside it. Okay, this has all these thing like content and all. So let's just okay, and we need to just grab its path as well. So pwd. So after running this command, you will get the path. Like this path is it should be in the desktop, right? So this is the path where I have kept my mock data file. And to insert the data inside it, we can just run the PSQL, and I think it's help. It's like this, not this one. I think this one. Yeah. So to insert the file, we can just here it shows execute the command of the file /i and then the file path. So let's do that, /i, and not this one. I need the file path actually. So I think this will work. So let's just hit the enter. Okay, so all the data is inserted. So I think there is some error as well, and I don't know why those errors are there, but let's see the table. Okay, not the alice. This is here. This is not working since we are executing alice at the same time. So let's create another data. Let's see. Books, and I think it was created in some other data which it shouldn't, but oh, okay, I kind of made a mistake over here. Like I didn't change to different database, and I kind of missed it. So just now I'm in So I kind of created this inside the Aditya Kumar database instead of a books database. I did in this terminal I didn't change it to books database. That's the reason I made a mistake over here. So what we can do is like now we can change it. Books inside the books. It should not be the mock data. It's okay. Story books. We kind of already have storybooks. Do we need it? I don't know. So let's just remove it for now and just try to insert it like this. Let's just rename it now. And okay, so all the storybooks are created. Now we don't need this. We don't need to create a database, or we already have one, so there is no reason of creating it. And now you can just run this and the data is created, added to our books database. So let's just view this, and now you can just go inside the storybooks and hit enter. So these are all the data that we have inserted right now. These are the serials, and these are content. This is not exactly the content of any book or something, as we didn't find the book content on the Mookr, so that's why I just inserted just a dummy data. Yeah. So these are the this is how you insert the data inside the PostgreSQL. In the next video, we will explore more stuff inside it, but this is all we have in the insert data. In the next video, we will try to query the data, distinct query, and all those stuff. So if you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.